everybody, it's Michelle, and today I thought I would show you guys how to do this little washcloth fish. I think he's just adorable. You guys may have seen a previous video I did creating washcloth bunnies around Easter time or springtime, and those were so much fun. And I love putting little things like this in the guest bathroom just to make it fun. And this one uses a bar of soap inside. I used the Dove Beauty Bar, and it was the bigger bar. I can't remember the size that it said on the box, but I will look that up and put it on screen for you guys here. So I think this is really handy to have and so adorable in the guest room. And a little fish is going to be great for summertime. So this little guy is in yellow, but I'm going to do one on screen for you guys in green. And I thought that was a cute little fishy color as well. So of course I went ahead and washed the washcloths so they're clean and ready to go. I removed the tags so that that doesn't get in the way. I've got my bar of soap here, and you don't have to use the Dove Beauty Bar. You can use any bar that is the oval shape. That's going to work really well to create that fish shape. I've got a little colored rubber band here that I'm going to use. As you can see here, I just bound the washcloth there with a yellow rubber band. I've got a green one here. You can get these in the hair accessories section of Dollar Tree or anywhere else. And if you can't find the multicolored so that you can match with your washcloth, they also are available in clear that would work with any color. And I've got a googly eye that I'm going to put on there, and I think it's about 5/8 of an inch. And with the washcloth, what I did was I found the smallest, thinnest washcloths that I could find, because that way you're not going to have a lot of bulk and create like too big of a tail fin area if you've got too much big fluffy washcloth. And I don't know about you guys, but I like a thinner washcloth in the bath anyway, so I think these are going to be better. And I really like to create these things that are not only cute for the guest bath, but are things that are still usable in the bathroom when the guests come. So I'm just going to put that in there, and I just want to place it so that I know this side is going to come all the way over and hide the edge of that one. And I've placed it to where this designed edge is going to be on the back, and that won't show. So it won't interfere with the design of our little fishy. And then I'm just going to gather that toward the end. Again, making sure you can fold this back, fold that back so that it's behind. Tuck this in between and just gather those to where they make a nice tail fin shape. And just put your rubber band around it. I like to do it a little bit away from the bar of soap. That way it shortens down the length that we're going to be presenting as tail fins. And this green doesn't exactly match the green of my washcloth, but that's okay. It's close. And just adjust that until you get it the way you want it. And now to put the googly eye on, I'm not going to use glue or anything like that. I've seen a lot of videos where people create these little critters out of washcloths and they sew them together or they glue things on or something like that. And I prefer not to do that. I really like to keep it usable in the guest room. So I'm just going to stick it on with one of my little foam sticky tabs from Dollar Tree, and that's going to pull off easily so the guests can just go ahead and use that soap and washcloth. I'm just going to cut that down to a square, and then I'm going to clip away the corners. That way it doesn't show around the edge of the googly eye. and peel off your backer and just stick it on. Like I said, it doesn't stick super well, but that's okay. That's what we want because we want the guests to be able to use it. And in that case, something that peels off easily is best. Okay, so there's your little green fish. It's just as simple as that. I think it's so cute. I really love doing things like this in my guest bathroom. I never had a guest bathroom until my kids moved out, so they're the ones coming back to it as a guest room. So I think this is a lot of fun. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also, follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.